guys, we didn't update you because we're LPH, and when we get in the zone, we literally get in the zone. Like, it's hard. We're new to this. We'll work on it. We're gonna get better.
We suck, but we'll get there.
We'll get there. All right, guys. So the fuel lines are practically done down here. Everything is bolted up. If you can see it. There, probably from here. Not even. Up there, everything is perfect. Then it goes, we run it down.
Follow the stock line.
We follow the stock lines. Everything's zip tied right now. We have some nice looking brackets to hold them, the feed and the return. Go all the way down. We have them going down, 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 all the way to over there. We're gonna show you the front clip now. It looks really good. The only thing we do have to add is a 10 micron fuel filter because of the injectors we got. We got injectors, finally. So I got some Snake Eater Performance 2100 cc 210 pound injectors, big boys. Then we came over here. Show them there, the wheel well. We drilled 2 holes.
Right through there.
2 holes to the wheel well.
We're gonna fab a little bracket just to protect them and push them up against here and just block this off. And then we drilled the 2 holes and came right out through this side.
We put 2 little grommets to just make it look pretty. Came out good. Ignore the wiring. We're wiring the Holley. Then it goes in here to this side, goes into there. Then our other bridge under here, and we just have to get the ORB cap. We get the ORB cap. We're pretty much good. We already started with the Holley. We actually got, what else did we get in the mail? We got Motion Raceworks full lightweight column with steering wheel. Beautiful. The injectors we finally got. So we're working, we're moving. The fuel system came out good. We just have to cut it again for the filter. Other than that, we're really close to start. Little T's on the headers. Headers came out real good. ICT billet alternator bracket. And those were Speed Engineering up and forward, but I did them down and forward. We just cut the heater holes, the nubs off. We gotta plug those holes, but the car is looking better. It's looking good. We're ready to go fast. Everything is looking good. Everything's lining up. We have some of the Holley wired in, and we're moving. We're getting there, slowly but surely. We're making it happen. A lot of things are taking longer than normal, but we're doing it. We're working, we're putting in the time. We will start filming more. We gotta be on top of each other because when we literally start getting under the car in the middle of it, it's kind of hard to pick up the phone and do it. But we'll make it happen.
We'll make it work.
So everything's coming down together. Fuel system's pretty much done. Just gotta add that filter. We're looking good, guys.
We should be starting it soon too.
Starting it soon.
Here, fire up.
We have some new offer got laid on my plate, so we got to make some decisions here. But you guys will update you along the way. We gone.
All right, guys, this is me from the future. We did mount the fuel regulator on the firewall. We do have to move that. So for NHRA racing and IHRA rules, can I have it on the firewall? We can get away with it, but I want to do everything by the book. Rookie mistakes, things that we got to fix, things that I'm still learning. We're learning, guys, so I'm gonna start posting more. We've been busy with life, trying to get our finances in order, jobs, you know how it goes. But we're working. Car's not here, as you can see. So that's just a sneak peek of what's to come.